If CapCut is opening to a white screen or a black blank screen on your PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two of the most effective fixes step by step. This problem usually happens because of GPU rendering issues, hardware decoding conflicts, or a corrupted project cache inside CapCut. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials and PC fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and go to the settings menu. Once the settings window opens, look for the performance tab. This is where CapCut controls options that affect how the app uses your computer's graphics and speed settings. Inside the performance tab, you'll see options related to hardware acceleration, GPU rendering, encoding, and decoding. What you want to do is turn off the features that can cause the blank screen issue. Specifically, uncheck the option for speeding up hardware encoding and decoding. In some versions, this may appear as hardware decoding, GPU interface rendering, or a similar performance boost setting. Disabling these options forces CapCut to rely less on your graphics hardware, which can immediately fix white screen and black screen problems on many PCs. After unchecking those options, close the settings window and restart CapCut so the changes can fully take effect. If the screen still appears blank after that, don't panic, because the next fix is just as important. Go back into CapCut settings again, and this time open the Draft tab. In the Draft section, look for the cache size option. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted, and when that happens, CapCut may fail to load projects properly or display a white or black screen instead of the editor. Next to the cache size, you should see a trash icon. Click that trash icon to clear the corrupted project cache. This will remove the temporary files that may be causing the app to freeze, glitch, or load incorrectly. Once the cache is cleared, close CapCut completely and reopen it again. When CapCut starts back up, give it a moment to reload everything cleanly. In many cases, the blank screen problem will be gone by this point, and the app should load normally again. If your project now opens correctly, that means the issue was likely caused by hardware decoding or a damaged cache file, and you've successfully fixed it. If you still see issues, you may also want to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and that CapCut is running the latest version on your PC. But for most users, disabling hardware acceleration and clearing the draft cache are the two fastest fixes. So to recap, first go to Settings, then the Performance tab and turn off Speed Up, Hardware Encoding and Decoding. Then go to the Drafts tab and clear the cache using the trash icon next to Caches. These two steps solve a lot of CapCut white screen and black screen errors on Windows PCs. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you want help with any other CapCut problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.